Good morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 13. I don't have school anymore. Yesterday was my last final. I showered, so I look a little crazy with my hair. This sweatshirt I think is really cute. I'll show you guys in the mirror right now. I think it's super cute. It is from Fabletics. It's adorable. Don't mind my couch. I just threw my coat on there yesterday. So, welcome to... Oh, that was rude. My phone just went off. Welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and click that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video. We have 1,720 something subscribers. Insane. It's awesome. I love you guys all so much, and I really hope you guys enjoy my channel and what I do. And let me know if for when Vlogmas is over, even now for Vlogmas, if you guys want me to do a certain brand and review full face of makeup with that certain brand, because I think that'd be very interesting. I watch videos like that and I love videos like that, so let me know if you would like it down below. And I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod like normal, and we're gonna go do our advent calendar. Alright, so let's go do our advent calendar. I almost missed the thing. So I didn't do yesterday, so I didn't do the 11th. I mean the 12th or the 13th. That's why I didn't do. I didn't do the 12th or the 13th. So we're going to find them. So I found 13 and 12. Okay, I found them. They're both in the middle. Wow, that was a very bad angle. I'm going to set you guys here like I normally do. And it's already pointed down a little. We're going to go for the 12th first. Yeah, the 12th's empty. I'm gonna try to open 13 and see if it ends up, and then I'll open up the box and see if it fell anywhere. But this is what we got for 13. We got stickers. What the? They don't even sell stickers. What the hell? So we need to try to find freaking 12. I mean, I'm cheating and looking on the back. Go to the kitchen. Oh, and it does say that you get stickers in this. Stickers. We're gonna get scissors and we're gonna open it because there's nothing in 12. So they literally didn't give me anything for day 12. Found it. It fell. It is a Sephora nail file. I had to open day 1 to find it. Alright, so we are going to open up my Ipsy glam bag, because I didn't open it the other day when I got it, because I wanted to save it to open it up for you guys. This is what it comes in. And this is the bag you get this month. This is for December. It's got nice sparkly sequins, and then on the back it is just regular leather. And on the inside, this is the card, is be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. And let's see what we got. So we got something from, we got a blush from Bang Beauty. This packaging though. It's called Smoked Peach. I'm probably gonna love it. I love freaking peach. Oh yeah. This is the shade. It's Smoked Peach. Let's swatch it. This is what it, ooh, it's sparkly. That's what it comes off as. It's very sheer, which isn't bad. I don't mind it, but it's super sparkly, but it doesn't really come off as sparkly on the hand, so I really enjoy that. This packaging though is adorable. Alright, next. Oh yeah, we got a brush from Fiera. And this is a 35E brush. This is pretty. It's perfect for blending out the crease. This packaging is awesome. Like, look at this. Like, can you see that? It's like indented. This is very cool. I love getting brushes in these things. Next, we have from Nomad. It's Around the World. This is a light infusion powder. We're gonna open it and see what it is. Okay, so this, if I can open it, oh, it's an eyeshadow. It's purple eyeshadow. No, this is a highlighter. This is a highlighter. It's right there. It's very purpley. I'm not a really big fan of those kinds to put on, but maybe I could do it like on an eyelid for an eye look. This is actually, I can use this. This will be universal. It'll be fine. And then next I have something from The Balm. And what is this? How do I open this? Oh, and this is an eyeshadow. This is in Red Handed. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then this is what the shade looks for the eyeshadow. I'm honestly not that big of a fan of the Balm products. I've used them, just not that big. But this eyeshadow, though, we will continue to use. This is what the eyeshadow looks like. That's a very pigmented color eyeshadow. I like it. Oh, it's foiled again, so it's a foiled shadow, which is even more awesome. And then from Ciate London, we have a Glitter Flip lip gloss. Lipstick. This is what it looks like in the packaging. I hate when you can't open things. So this is what the color looks like. Not really seeing much glitter on it, if you can see. I'll show you when it dries down, if it does dry down, so we can see what it is. This is a mini Glip Flip Infamous. I don't know. Then lastly, we have a Grace and Stella Meet Mud, Your Skin's Newest Best Friend. Dead Sea Mud Mask. Deep Skin Cleanser. Ooh, I love mud masks. And it's from the Dead Sea, which is supposed to have like really good mud for like skincare. Oh, it's got a protect and seal. Don't mind my phone going off in the background. I'm just not touching it. It's fine. Oh, I can't wait to use it. I love mud masks. Alright, now that this lipstick is kind of like drying down a little bit, you can see the glitter, but I don't know if it picks it up off camera. I don't know, but like I can see it. It's very tiny and like minimalistic, and it's barely there, but like it's just like enough. It's not like too overpowering, but it's just like enough, so that's nice. I also wanted to show you guys what I got yesterday when I was shopping with my dad. I got something from MAC, not anything big or anything, just a restock on my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. The lady at the store, this is just the original one, the lady at the store tried selling me the minis because they were cheaper than the big ones, but there was like the coconut, the rose, and the regular one, but I haven't tried the coconut or the rose one, but I tried a Mario Badescu thing that had like kind of like rose in it, and I broke out from it. So it makes me scared to do like scented things on my face because I got super sensitive skin. So that's what I got from MAC, which is very interesting. So, all right, so I took you guys downstairs. My camera was not recording yet. I don't know what's going on. We're just gonna roll with it. So I'm showing you guys my Bath & Body Works candles that I bought for myself during the $8 candle sale because they finally came in the mail the other day. So this candle is the Fireside candle. I personally bought this because my boyfriend loves camping and the smell of campfires, because we go camping for at least a week at Kelly's Island in the summer with his parents, and he loves the smell of fire and like campfires, obviously. And so do I, and it smells so good. It's not too overpowering and not too much, but like it's just the perfect amount, and it smells wonderful. And then another candle I got that's for him also is the fresh balsam, because at his house they have real trees and he loves the smell of evergreens. But at my house we don't have a real tree, we have a fake tree. So I figured that if I got a candle that smelled like a real tree, which it does, and it's not too overpowering like some Yankee Candle ones are, then he would have the sense of a real tree at our house, which is very nice. And then the next one I got is, I was not planning on getting this one. It's called Peppermint Brownie. This smells so good. It's like barely any peppermint in it, mostly brownie, but it smells so freaking good and I love it. This is what the packaging looks like. Super adorable. This one was not an initial buy. Or this one. The next one is Twisted Peppermint. This is from Bath & Body Works too. This packaging is gorgeous. It smells like exactly like peppermint, which is freaking amazing and smells so good. And the other candle I got, I need to show you upstairs because it came broke. Like shattered into like a million, not a million pieces, but like shattered. So I'm gonna go today and exchange it because it said you can, and hopefully they'll have that candle. That candle was Marshmallow Fireside or something along those lines, and I hope that it's there because it smells so good and I wanted it so bad and it's not, and it broke. So you can tell there's a little bit of disappointment there, but it's fine. I'm putting these back in the box that they came in. Can't show you the box of all the other ones because they are gifts and I haven't given them yet. So we're just going back upstairs and I'll show you that candle. Alright, so we're back upstairs. This is my form that it came in that I had to show Bath & Body Works today. I had to place it in two things. Here's the lid. I will bring you guys down over here so you can see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. We are not taking out of the thing because there will be glass everywhere, but there's broken glass there. Candle's completely out of its holder. Doesn't even have a side on this side or that side. So I don't know what happened because my dad said that they placed the candles very like nicely on our porch. So I don't know if it was in transit or what. We're setting it back up over here. But it's just a little annoying, but at least it's one of my candles and not a candle I'm giving as a gift because that would suck even more. But it's not, so. Alright, and that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I can't wait to talk to you guys tomorrow. You're going to be liking the next videos that are going to be coming up for my ideas that I have planned. Hope you guys have a great day wherever you are. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you enjoyed it. It wasn't that much, but not every video is going to be like insanely crazy or like awesome like I would think my other ones are because I put a lot of effort. I put a lot of effort into all my videos and I love them, and if I wouldn't be posting every day if I didn't think that I could push myself to put out good quality videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 14, I believe. Yeah. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.